What's this glass doing here?
Probably there for you to use it so you can drink.
Oh, okay.
You want some?
Sure.
Should I? May I?
Why don't you pour it in there? That was excellent. Wonderful. What are we going to do about our future, babe? Come on, we got to talk about it right now. Because look at the sunset. It's a nice sunset. Let's talk about it while the sunset.
Oh, baby. I just want you to be in my arms, in my life. That I love you a lot.
I love you too,
and I
babe.
want to be with you forever and ever and ever.
I want to be with you forever and ever.
Okay? I really care about you. Your eyes, your smile, your lips, your kiss. I love it all. And I want you forever.
What are we going to do about the babe? Babe.
I don't know. What are we going to do, sweetie? I don't know what to do because, like, it's a hard decision.
Well, we already agreed to keep it.
Yeah.
One time already, so let's go with that.
Okay. I love you, baby.
I love you too. Carla, where you been? Carla!
What?
Hey, for you. Hey, Carla, you were in Vegas last week.
Who are you?
Clown.
Who are you?
Who's this long hair clown?
Baby.
Hey, what's the meaning of this? Hey, Carla, what is the meaning of this? Hey, you were in Mexican yesterday.
What?
Who is this person?
Who are you?
I'm DJ Elmo.
What? I don't know you. Well, get away from me now.
Hey, who are you?
Baby.
Screw this DJ, babe.
What?
I am no clown.
This is nothing you know.
I'm on 205. I'm DJ 205.
Whatever. I don't care. I don't care. Get away from us. Get away. Babe, I don't know who he is.
Hey, man.
Babe.
Hey, man. No. You're coming with me.
No.
You're coming.
No.
Hey. Hey.
Hey, kick it. Kick it. What? Baby. Oh. Kick his butt, baby. Get him. Get him. Get away!
bloody. Babe.
I don't know what to do. Let's run.
I gotta get out of here.
Let's
We gotta
run.
go to Mexico
Oh my
because
God.
the cops are gonna-
Hold on. Let's go.
Hey.
We have to.
We are. First thing tomorrow morning, we'll pack up tonight and we'll leave first thing tomorrow morning.
Okay.
Because what would just happen now is something very,
Okay.
I can get life. It'll be okay once time goes by. Everything will, fall in place and we'll be okay. We'll live happily ever after and it'll be okay, baby.
No, baby, no. We can't do this. We are gonna ruin our lives.
What if he rats
Our
and
lives.
I go to jail?
Our lives. No.
What if I get
No.
electric
I
chair,
don't
baby?
care. I want.
I'm gonna leave now. I gotta leave now. So I'll write to you and I'll call you.
No.
You'll be okay, babe. I just gotta leave.